Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to add an account to Duo Mobile. So if you want to protect another website or service with Duo authentication, then just follow along. First, open the Duo Mobile app and then tap the Add Account button. Next, you need to allow camera access if it's your first time using the feature. Now, sign in to the website or service that uses Duo authentication and open its two-factor authentication settings. Generate the Duo setup QR code and then return to Duo Mobile and scan the QR code. After scanning, the account will appear in the app and will be ready for push notifications or passcode generation. You can repeat the same process for any additional accounts you want to protect with Duo Mobile. So that was how to add an account to Duo Mobile. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.